Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the Nifty pre-market analysis for tomorrow, using our reliable support and resistance zones drawn from the previous day's price action. These zones have consistently helped us understand market direction, intraday turning points, and breakout possibilities. So let's break down what Nifty is trying to tell us for the upcoming trading session. Market context or sentiment. Before we jump into the levels, let's quickly understand the sentiment. Today, Nifty closed near 25,932, trending weak and staying below the yellow and blue reference bands. This tells us two things. 1. Buying pressure was absent. 2. And the market respected lower supports, showing cautiousness among participants. With this background, tomorrow's market tone will depend heavily on whether Nifty protects the immediate support zone or attempts a recovery above key resistance bands. Key support zones for tomorrow. Let's move to the downside levels first, the important support clusters that can act as reversal or breakdown points. S1, 25,903. First reaction zone. If Nifty holds here during the first 15 minutes, we may see an upward attempt. S2, 25,845. Stronger intraday support. Expect buyers to be active here. S3, 25,787. A decisive level. If this breaks, sentiment can turn sharply negative. S4, 25,729. Breakdown zone. Below this, intraday trades will mostly favor the bears. S5, 25,671. Deeper correction level, only tested in strong sell-off sessions. S6, 25,613. The final support. If Nifty reaches here, expect oversold bounces, but sentiment will remain fragile. So tomorrow, the first half of the day will heavily depend on whether S1 and S2 hold. A bounce from these levels can trigger good long setups. Resistance levels for tomorrow. Let's flip to the upside now. These are the levels Nifty must cross to show bullish strength. R1, 26,051. First resistance. Closing above this can bring short covering. R2, 26,109. A very important level. If Nifty sustains above this, sentiment improves drastically. R3, 26,167. This can act as a supply area. Expect some hesitation or consolidation. R4, 26,225. Fresh long entries become more reliable above this. R5, 26,283. Bulls, control zone. Crossing this means momentum is on the buy side. R6, 26,341. High range resistance. Only a strong trending market touches this in a single session. Keep a close eye on R1 and R2 during the opening hour. A breakout above these levels can give a smooth directional upside move. Pre-market plan or trading scenarios. Based on the current structure, here are the likely scenarios for tomorrow. Scenario A: bullish opening. If Nifty opens above 25,960 and sustains, look for clean moves towards R1, R2, R3. A breakout above R2 can give a trending bullish day. Scenario B: flat opening. Price may consolidate between 25,900 and 26,000. Watch for breakout from these zones for clear direction. Scenario C: weak, gap down opening. If Nifty opens below S1 and fails to reclaim it, expect sellers to drag price towards S2 and S3 quickly. S3 is the make or break zone for any recovery attempt. In all cases, use the levels as reaction zones. Wait for confirmation on the candles before entering. Final conclusion. So these are the key support and resistance zones for tomorrow's Nifty session. Use them to plan your trades with discipline, and always combine level-based analysis with volume and price action confirmation. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your views in the comments.